Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Clean code is a cornerstone of software development. It not only makes your code easier to understand but also helps in maintaining, debugging, and collaborating with other developers. In this tutorial, we'll explore principles and best practices for writing clean code in Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, following these guidelines will improve the quality of your code base. Descriptive and meaningful names are crucial for readability. Follow these conventions. Example: functions and methods should be concise, focused, and do one thing well. Keep them small and follow the single responsibility principle, SRP. Example: comments should explain the why, not the how. Aim for self-explanatory code and use comments sparingly. Document public APIs using docstrings. Example: consistent formatting improves readability. Use spaces around operators, follow PEP 8 guidelines, and use tools like Black for automated formatting. Example: handle errors gracefully and provide meaningful error messages. Avoid using bare except clauses. Example: write unit tests to verify the correctness of your code. Follow the arrange act assert pattern and aim for comprehensive test coverage. Example: refactor your code regularly to keep it clean and maintainable. Use tools like Pylint or Flake8 to identify areas for improvement. Example: writing clean code is a skill that improves with practice. By following these principles and best practices, you'll create Python code that is easier to understand, maintain, and extend. Remember, clean code is not just about aesthetics, it's about making your code base more robust and efficient. Happy coding! ChatGPT